Hello guys, I'm here to talk to you guys about Unity Home Care and what we have to offer. So Unity Home Care is an assisted living and a home care agency. We have an assisted living and we have home care where we can come to you and service you for those who don't want to leave their homes and those who still want to be in the comfort of their homes and their environment. We have very excellent and dedicated caregivers who are passionate about their jobs and very highly trained and skilled to come into your homes and take care of you guys. So for the assisted living, we have unmatched quality of care and staff. Our staffs are well trained and well equipped with a lot of years experience in the field that they're working in. We pride ourselves on excellent staff to resident ratio, so ensuring that personalized attention to every individual. So whatever your needs are, we have you covered. We specialize on every client individually. We don't think one care fits all because everyone is different and everyone's care is different. Every resident receives a personalized care plan, like I spoke about. So some people are more independent than others. So we have to make sure that we evaluate the clients first. And then we tell them, and based on the evaluation and what they're looking for, which is budget, then we know how to work with the clients. Finances is something we know how to work with because this is not just a business, but this is something we are passionate about. So even if you feel like you cannot afford it, just pick up the phone and call us, and we will definitely be able to work with you. Thank you very much.